Ka Jylla ka kanhun menteri jong Sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance MDA ha ka step ka arpotrik nopra arajar arpuar kalawan ra iki katu kat ni jingpynkylla ka Meghalaya building bylaws arajar arpuar nalor ka jingpynkylla ka building bylaws ka Jylla ka kanhun menteri kala siamnya ka rai ban penkylla katu kat ni kendon ka Meghalaya Minor Minerals Reclamation Fund Management Guideline arajar arpuar ka Sorkar Jylla kala rai ru ban penmi ka notification nak banta ka Meghalaya Profession Trades Callings and Employment Taxation Rule.
And very quick agendas were taken up. The first was the amendment to the Meghalaya Minor Minerals Reclamation Fund Management Guidelines 2022. The second was the amendment to the Meghalaya Building Amendment Bylaws 2022. And third was the notification for the Meghalaya Professions, Trades, Callings and Employment Taxation Rules 2022. So these were the three agendas that were put up. Regarding the Meghalaya Minor Minerals Reclamation Fund Management Guidelines 2022, it was a very simple amendment where the agencies which are eligible to implement the funds was only enhanced in the sense that earlier there were 9 agencies which can implement the funds. We have added the Biodiversity Board. So that was the only amendment that was made. The second, which was regarding the rules for the Meghalaya Professions, Trades, Callings and Employment Taxation rules. These are normal procedures. Once the act is come in, then obviously the rules have to follow. So we have notified the rules today. Regarding the Meghalaya Buildings Amendment Bylaws 2022, certain amendments have been made. There are a long list of details. It will not be possible for me to go through all of them. They are highly technical also in nature. So we'll prepare a small note on that and we'll send it to the press.